I bought this from a charity shop. I took it to the market today and he said, fucking hell, you need to take that to a specialist. Anyway, give me his mate's number. Cut a long story short. And his mate, an antique specialist, said it's in the region of £1,000 to £2,000. But he said it does need some work doing. It needs cleaning up a bit. It needs touching up a bit. But that would cost £200. So, what I've decided to do is, I'm going to clean it up myself. I've got the cleaner. There we go. £2,000.